You're watching the streaming broadcast of Merit in the Rolex Sydney Hobart Yacht Race 2009, and it's time for the highlights and insights.
Brought to you by Launch Me In.
Welcome back, this is Muzza of sbsvideo.tv, and you can see the guys on Merit there just going through flipping over onto starboard tack. You can see the boat speed's dropping there just through the tack, and it's going to take a little bit to power the boat back up. Guys on the left hand side of the boat there on the grinder just trimming up the sails. Boat speed slowly building. These boats don't reach full power until they get up to speed. The apparent wind builds, and then the sailing rig really builds up pressure. You see the helmsman's really dialing into the wind zone there. The boat's now getting up to maximum speed, and it's really starting to punch through those waves again. Crew are just walking around the cockpit, tidying up some wires. A good wave there, look at that. Yeah, crew are just tidying up the sheets a little bit after the tack. You see Eric at the back there holding onto one of the check stays that supports the mast through those punching waves. And we've got a crew member right up on the bow there, or two crew members right up on the bow there doing something. Looks like we got a bit of a shift change. The guys just getting in and out of gear to swap over. Demonstration of the 4 cameras on board. You see in the bottom right hand then we've got a bit of Mark Christiansen at the SBS TV station on board. And just showing a bit of his setup there. There's a bit of the equipment that all goes into making this possible. It's all feeding through the onboard laptop. And you see Merit really punching along there. The Eagle Hawk Neck headland in the background there. Merit flipped on the starboard tack just a few miles off Eagle Hawk Neck and is now heading in a south-southeast direction along the Tasman coast. I'll be heading around Cape Hawaii in a few miles, and then directing a bit more south to around Tasman Island, and then into the Derwent a few miles after that. Merit really cracking along. That's good boat speed there. And it's over to Mark Christiansen aboard Merit for some more commentary.
Just trying to settle the boat down. Naughty's working the water right now. What we do is we have water ballast on this boat, and we've just transferred the tank. So what happens is he tries to gravity feed it. one side to the other, but when the boys get anxious, he doesn't get it all the way through. But he's got it sorted. It's just fine-tuning with our knockometer. And it's getting a bit bumpy there. But let's go back to another view. Probably hear some of that noise going on now. That's so we can pump up the water tanks the rest of the way, get some weight in this, some water in the boat, and flatten her out a bit. All four cams there, and you can see pretty much what we get up to on this boat. That's really about it for me. I'm going to go up and go help out on deck. My turn to drive pretty soon. My name is Christiansen. I'm going to watch captains on board. Just changed over, and I'll go up there and sit with Otto and Foxy, and Tabby. Okay. Catch you guys a little later. Just stay tuned for the action, and we'll keep a mic running. But the commentary is going to end now. Okay, so everybody enjoy.
You've been watching the highlights and insights of merit in the Rolex Sydney Hobart Yacht Race 2009 on streaming broadcast powered by Streaming Video Systems.
Brought to you by Lock Me In.